Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today we'll be covering web integration. Aside from RF propagation, this provides one of the biggest benefits of our system. Some of you may be familiar with it and some may not. What we'll cover in this video is how to integrate TowerCoverage.com with your website and the benefits you get from doing so. Tower Coverage web integration comes in two different formats. There's the end user submission form and an interactive map. The end user submission form enables you to collect data from potential customers and then use that data to pre-qualify your installs and plan network expansion. The interactive map displays your coverage area and serves as a method for potential customers to see where they fall within your network by using the search bar here. As you can see, you can display one or both of these options on your website. And in this next step, we're going to show you how. On your multi-map, you have a toggle switch for data collection. If the data collection button is active, the embed code will display the EUS form. If you choose to leave this off, the embed code will display the map. To copy the code for development, simply click the Copy iframe button at the top left corner of your dashboard. From there, you can paste it into your site or pass it off to your development team. The iframe code we provide is designed to be responsive and fit the container surrounding it. That being said, it's super simple to work with, just copy, paste, and save. I'm going to pull up a code example here so you can see what that looks like. You can see that I've got this divided up into two sections. And if you look closely, you'll see that the iframe code is just a simple line that you paste in between the div tags. If you want to display both integration options as I've done here, you'll need to create a duplicate map and copy the code for each of them. If you choose to go this route and update your network down the road, changes should be made to both of these maps, since there's nothing in place to do this automatically. This covers our standard integration options, but if you're looking for something more customizable that you can brand to your company, we do have a more advanced option for our end user submission form. See our custom integration video if you'd like to hear more about that. That is all I have for now, guys. If you've enjoyed our content, please like and subscribe. Thank you for joining us, and I will see you for the next one.